Have you ever wanted to grow your own sugar? There's 3 ways to do it: sugarcane, honeybees, and sugar beets. Sugarcane grows well in Central Florida. My name is Tia Silvasi, and I'm the Florida Friendly Landscaping Agent for UF IFAS, Orange County Extension. And today I'm going to show you how to easily propagate sugarcane. It's an easy plant to grow in your backyard. This is what the final product looks like. And it is kind of hard to extract, but what you do is you cut it and then you juice it, or you just cut it into little pieces and chew on it. So let me show you how to propagate it. This is an example of a sugarcane plant that I have already propagated. And I did this from a 2-node cutting. There's 2 ways to do it: the 1-node cutting or the 2-node cutting. So you can see each of these nodes like this. That's where the new roots and the new shoots will grow out from. It's called a node, N-O-D-E. So for this one here, I did a 2-node cutting, and I just stuck this right inside of the 1-gallon pot, and it actually grew out of both nodes. Let me take it apart so you can see better. So here it has a nice established root system. And when I take it apart, you can see there's 3 sugarcane stalks actually growing out of here. So what I can do here is I'll cut the middle stalk off and let those 2 bottom ones grow. And then I can replant this top node. See how it just grew a whole new plant out of this node? So if you're just starting from a single or double node cutting, all you need to do is stick it in a pot. I have a 4-inch pot here, and I'm just gonna stick it horizontally right on top here, and I'm just gonna bury it so it's barely covered. You just wanna be able to see a little bit of it. Now it does grow a little bit slow, so let it go for about 2 months and see if you get some sprouts. And you'll get a good % of them that will grow. So maybe take 10 cuttings, and if you get 8 out of 10, 80%, then you'll have 8 new sugarcane plants. So this is something fun to grow in your backyard. It is hard to extract the sugar out of it, but look up some historical sugar juicing. They have an annual festival in Christmas, Florida, and that will show you how to do that. Well, thanks for tuning in.